Can vitamin D supplements substitute for natural sunlight? Unveiling the truth. Are you a health enthusiast, supplement user, or someone concerned about vitamin D deficiency? Discover if vitamin D supplements can truly replace the power of natural sunlight in this informative video. Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. It supports strong bones by aiding calcium absorption, boosts immune function, and influences muscle strength and mood regulation. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to obesity, cardiovascular issues, and certain cancers, highlighting its importance. Sunlight is the most efficient way for your body to produce vitamin D. When UVB rays interact with your skin, they trigger a process that creates vitamin D3. Just 15 minutes of midday sun exposure a few times a week can be enough for many people. However, modern lifestyles often limit sun exposure. Indoor jobs, sunscreen use, and geographical location can all contribute to vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D supplements have become increasingly popular as a way to combat deficiency. Available as D2 and D3, they offer a convenient way to boost vitamin D levels without sun exposure. While supplements can raise vitamin D levels, they may not fully replicate all the benefits of sunlight. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that individuals relying solely on supplements had different responses compared to those getting vitamin D from the sun. Sunlight triggers the release of other beneficial compounds in the skin that supplements can't replicate. These include hormonal and dermatological benefits, such as improved mood and enhanced skin health. Sunlight exposure offers a broader range of advantages beyond just vitamin D production. While generally safe, excessive vitamin D supplementation can lead to toxicity. This can result in hypercalcemia and other health complications. Relying too heavily on supplements might also lead to neglecting outdoor activities and natural sunlight exposure. If you live in northern regions, experience long winters, or have limited sun exposure, vitamin D supplements can be beneficial. Consult with your healthcare provider to test your vitamin D levels and tailor supplementation accordingly. In addition to supplements, incorporate vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified products into your diet. This combined approach can help bridge the gap when sunlight is limited. Vitamin D supplements are a valuable tool for preventing deficiency, but they shouldn't completely replace natural sunlight. Balance safe sun exposure with prudent supplementation and dietary sources of vitamin D. Talk to your healthcare provider about your individual needs for optimal health and wellness. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your experiences, and subscribe for more wellness tips.